like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Wawa.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Ingat palagi.
Happy 70th birthday, Mom. I love you. Ingat ka palagi. Tandaan mo, nandito lang kami magkakapatid para sa'yo. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ma. Birthday.
Happy birthday. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Oh. Tinapa. Regalo ko sa iyo.
Happy 70th birthday, Wawa.
Enjoy your day.
We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Wawa. We hope you enjoy your birthday and more birthday, and we wish that you have more health and more birthdays.
We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Wawa. Sana ma-enjoy mo ang birthday mo, and thank you po sa pag-aalaga at pagbibigay ng mahal sa amin lahat. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Wawa. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Wawa. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Ina. Happy birthday, Tita Ina. Happy 70th birthday, Lola Marina. Wish you all the best and more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita. More birthdays to come.
Tita, happy birthday! Grabe, 70 ka na, no? Wow, hindi ko talaga na-expect yan, ma. Happy birthday, Tita. God bless you more. Well, happy birthday to you! Thank you. Hi, Athena. Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. How old are you?
Happy birthday, Athena. Wish you all the best, good health, and more blessings to come.
Likewise, ganun din. Sana marami ka pang mga years to come para mas marami ka pang matulungan.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday.
Mama. Enjoy. Love
More
you.
happiness to come and more success in life. Enjoy lagi.
Okay.
Happy birthday again.
Enjoy.
See you soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mama.
Para sa aking best friend, na best enemy, at ano pa. Marami tayong pinagdaanan. Maganda at hindi maganda. Pero still, ito pa rin tayo. Usap, magkaibigan pa rin. Ang dami nating simula pa noon. Mga trabaho natin, yung negosyo. Ngayon, nakita ko lang, tatanda na pala natin. Naging 17 na tayo. Noon, samantalang noong una tayo nagkita-kita. Si Emil, kagapaga pa lang ni Mirna. Lahat ng anak ko maliliit pa. Tapos Tatanda na nga tayo. At I wish na dagdagan pa much more, delete mo kahit di.
Happy birthday po, Tita Ina. Dasal kong palagi kayong malakas at umaba pa ang buhay at marami pang kaarawan ang dadating. Marami pang travel. Punta na po kayo dito ni Tito Roland at tayo ipapasyal sa mga gusto nyong pasyalan kasama si Aldrin. Naalala ko po ang mga gala natin diyan nung nandyan pa ako sa Pilipinas. Miss ko na po ang pagpunta natin kung saang lugar. Mag-iingat kayo lagi at lalong lumakas at huwag magkakasakit at marami pang tao ang matulungan ninyo. Happy birthday po ulit, Tita Ina. Ingat kayong lahat. Salamat sa inyong pagbilang sa akin ng pagbati. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my friend, my sister, my kumare, and everything. Unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon at umabot tayo sa mga ganitong edad, lalo na ikaw. Ngayon ay 70th birthday mo. I wish you all the best. Sana marami pang mga birthdays ang dumating sa'yo. Mahal kita. Hindi lamang bilang isang kaibigan, bilang isang kabarkada, kundi bilang isang tao. Marami tayong pinagdaanan at hindi na tatawaran yung pinagsamahan natin. I love you.
Hi, Maring Ina. Happy 70th birthday. Ang birthday wishes ko sa'yo, more birthdays to come, long life, good health, and more wealth para masaya. Napakapalad namin. Parte ka ng buhay namin. Mabait ka, matyaga, hindi ka madamot, at very accommodating person. Thank you for being a friend, cousin, and BFF. See you soon. Pasyal tayo and enjoy life. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ina. Happy 70th birthday. Long and strong life. Sa ating forever bagets, we are getting bagets and bagets forever because we are enjoying life to the fullest. My prayer to you is that you will continue to live a long and satisfying life. You are so beloved. Mahal na mahal ka namin at ikaw ay maraming papel sa buhay ko. Kinakapatid, Maricoy, friend, armor bearer at marami pang iba. Salamat dahil lagi kang nandyan to assist sa aming, lalo na sa akin. Ina, ito yung prayer ko sa iyo, ha, for reaching 70th birthday. This is called the priestly Aaronic blessing, and I release it to you. Listen to this as I release prayer blessings to you. Again, happy birthday. I love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Amen.